Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is on EndNote. I have prepared this video on the request of few of my MS and PhD students. EndNote, bibliography and citation tools. What are citation tools? Citation tools are known as bibliographic management tools and citation managers. Popular tools are EndNote, Mendeley, RefWorks, etc. These tools organize, manage, and format citations for your research. What is a citation and bibliography? A citation is a reference that appear in the text of your document. For example, in the body of the research paper or a document, we have cited a paper named Arfat 2020. Next, we will see the difference between citation and bibliography. A bibliography is a list of references, usually at the end of the paper, that provide complete publication or access information on all cited work. For example, for the above citation, the bibliography of the above paper is the following: Arfat, SY, and MJ Iqbal 2020 Urdu text detection and recognition in natural scene images using deep learning IEEE access. This is the complete bibliography or this is the complete bibliography for the above paper. In the last slide, we talked about that there are many reference and citation tools. Our focus will be on EndNote. So first we will see what is EndNote. EndNote is the industry standard software tool for publishing and managing bibliographies, citations, references on Windows and other operating systems with desktop and online versions. EndNote online citation library is accessible everywhere provided you have an internet connection. There are various benefits of using EndNote. Few of these are listed here. Write faster. Insert in the text citation while simultaneously creating a bibliographic with the cite while you write in the Microsoft Word. Collaborate easier. Easily collaborate across geographic boundaries. Share some or all of your library and set permissions for access. Research better. Use tools that find PDFs for you throughout your search process. Then easily read, review, and annotate as such PDFs in your library. Get published. Match your paper with relevant, reputable journals using Manuscript Matcher. Next, stay organized. Create rules to automatically recognize references as you work, and use the new tab features for easier multitasking. Last but not the least, work from anywhere. Access your search anytime, anywhere from the cloud. Moves seamlessly between online and the desktop and iPad applications. Next, we will go through EndNote's X6 installation and it's working. Actually, presently we have X9 version. We have gone through the description of different citation and referencing tools. This is the website for the EndNote, endnote.com. This website is maintained by Clarivate Analytics. Uh, when we want to use any version of EndNote, we need a license for that. The present version of EndNote is EndNote X9. I will show you the installation step of EndNote X6 since I have only access to EndNote 6 version. As you can see, I have EndNote X6 installer on my software drive. Initially, we will have a zip file. First, we have to unzip that file using 7-zip or WinRAR or any other unzip tool. After that, we run the installation of EndNote X6. You can install EndNote X6 or any version of EndNote by going through different options. When the installation will be finished, we can use this for referencing and citation. After installation of EndNote 6, when we will run EndNote 6, uh, a window for EndNote 6 will be opened. A new library named EndNote my EndNote library.enl will be created. Since we do not have added any reference to this library, so initially the my EndNote library will be empty. You can see here that in all references we have 0 reference, unfilled 0, trash 0. Next, you can add references of your required papers into the EndNote library from sciencedirect.com, from IEEE Access, or from Google or Google Scholar. The My EndNote library has .enl extension. Now I will show you how you can download a reference for any paper. Suppose I am opening IEEE Explorer. Whenever we search any paper on IEEE, suppose I am searching one of our own paper, that is Urdu text detection and recognition using natural Urdu text detection and recognition in natural scene images using deep learning. Uh, this is the paper. On IEEE Explorer, uh, you can see that here is the paper title and here is how we can cite this. We can download the citation from here. cite this link. Click cite this. This window will be appeared. Then there will be different options like plain text, bibtext, RIS, and refworks. These are the different formats for different type of citation tools. We will go here for EndNote reference, so we will download RIS format reference. Click download. This will download. Again click download. A RIS file for the mentioned paper will be downloaded. Now, if we click on this file, it will be automatically open in EndNote. Click on the title of the paper. After clicking on the paper, we can see the detail about the paper such as author names, year, title, journal name, volume, pages, ISSN number, DOI, etc. Similarly, we can download other papers from other sources. While downloading paper citations, you have to download the citations for EndNote. Those citations may have extension .enl, .ris, or .etc. You have downloaded extension reference for any other tool, maybe you will not be able to open it in EndNote 6. Now suppose I have already created an EndNote library. I will open that library. Uh, the name of my EndNote library is my EndNote library.enl. enl is the extension of the library. If we look into the left pane of the my library, we have different options like R references, unfilled, trash, and then my groups. Initially, there will be no item in the my groups. Uh, Later, we will create groups inside my groups. We can add many groups here according to our requirement. For example, if I want to create new group, I have to right click on my groups and then create a group. Write the name of the group. Suppose I write here the name of the group as image processing. When we will enter a new group with the name image processing will be created. As you can see that our previously created my group has 28 papers, and while image processing group has 0 papers. So we can add papers into in this group. For example, if we click on drone surveillance a group here, it have 20 papers. On the right, you can see the details of the papers like author names, years, titles, rating, etc. General, last updated, reference type. Here we can sort the paper order by reference. If we click on author, then we can sort it ascending or in descending order. Similarly, we can sort it by year in ascending or descending order. We can sort the papers by title and so on. So this is the flexibility that EndNote provide us. If we had downloaded any new paper, if we have downloaded any new citation for a paper, it will be available in unfilled folder. If we want to add these papers in any of our group, then we can right click on any of the selected paper, then go to add reference to, and then from add reference to we can put it into the different groups that we have created so far. Here you can see that we have created two groups, drone surveillance and image processing. If I click on image processing, this paper will be added to the image processing. You can see from here that now image processing group have one paper. Similarly, you can add other papers. The process is that you have to go to the website of the particular publisher, then choose any paper, and then select the option of download citation or any citing options. So this is the uh, way how we can create groups inside my groups, and then similarly you can add papers uh, that have EndNote citations. Sometimes we do not have any citation for a paper, then we can add that citation manually. So to add any paper citation manually, uh, then we have to choose this option, like this option here, add new reference. So click on this. All these options are available in these menus. Here is the toolbar of new reference. You can simply click Ctrl N. Click on new reference. So here you can add names of the authors. Remember that in one line you can add only one author. The author's name will be separated by semicolon. Then the year in which paper is published, the title of the paper, name of the journal, volume, issue, pages, start page, and other options. So by doing this, we can add references manually. So this option can be used if we do not find any reference for a particular paper. Then we can do this manually using this process. There are many other options. We can see that files. In file menu, we have new, open, close library, and there are different options. In edit, we have also different options. In reference menu, we have plenty of options. Group, tools, windows. You can explore this. Now, we will add a reference to in Word. I want to add one thing here. First time when you will install any version of EndNote, uh, We cannot access this EndNote in MS Word. EndNote option in ExNote, you have to go into File and then go to the options, and from options you have to go for add-ins and click add-ins, and from add-ins you have to choose EndNote cite while you write, choose option, then go to the option manage add-ins, click here and then check this option EndNote cite while you write. This option will not be here if you have not installed any version of ExNote. This option will only be available if you have EndNote installation. So click OK. Then after that you will have a ribbon of EndNote on your Word. I am using EndNote 6, so you can see here a ribbon for EndNote 6, EndNote X6. If we click on that, we have different options like insert citations, go to EndNote, edit and manage citation, edit library, styles. The most important thing for EndNote is there are different styles. There are even hundreds of styles in the EndNote. We can use any of style for writing a document or paper, a search paper. And there are other options. So I am here showing you that suppose I have this document. I want to, I am writing this document and I want to add a reference over here. Suppose I suppose I may copy this text into another file and then I will add reference here. Suppose I have text over here. So you should have some text in the file. And now I want to add reference from EndNote at this place. Suppose here. So click over here, then go to the EndNote option, then go to EndNote and then choose the paper or the reference you want to add. I want to add this paper over there. Choose the paper or reference. Click on this option, insert citation. You can see here that a reference number for the paper will be added. So you can see from the list at the bottom that at number 2 we have this reference. So this 2 represent this 2 here. So there are other numbers like for the other papers. Now if we add more papers here, like I want to add one more reference here, again and click on EndNote X6, go to EndNote 6 and then choose the paper, choose the required paper, click on insert citations. You can see that this new citation will be added here and the name of the paper and is here. So similar way you can add more papers and references. Okay, so the best thing about EndNote 6, is that it cannot duplicate any reference. If we want to add any reference second time or third time in the paper, the first the number of that reference will be used, no matter how many time we will use that reference in our paper. No, now we are using only the that is IEEE format, number format. If I want to change this number format, like here style is the number. If I want to change it to the author date, so go on style, select author date, choose that. You can see that now instead of numbers we will have name of the authors plus year. So the all the references will be updated accordingly. So in my opinion, EndNote can be very useful for researchers who are writing a paper, writing a search document, or writing any article that have a references in it. Without using any citation tool, we cannot manage citations easily. So I have shown you a few of the options. You can use other options. If you explore EndNote, there are many other options available. You can go through that. If we want to add a PDF file for any paper, we can also add that file. For that, you have to download that file onto your computer and then click on any of the paper for which you want to add the file. Then click on attachment here, file attachment. Click on file attachment and then attach file. Choose your required file. Suppose I want to choose this file. Okay, so this file will be added with this reference. So after that we will save it, and next time if we want to read that file or go in the detail of the file, we can read from here and open. We can open in the next time if we want to open this or read this file, we can open directly from here. This is a very good option that we can use. So this is the brief overview of what is EndNote, how we can use it uh, for referencing and citation. I always urge my students to use EndNote for their citation and referencing. This ends the first lecture on EndNote. Next time I will come with a new topic on EndNote. If you have any further query, you may uh, comment me. I will try to answer. Thank you.